Let no man think that I change my songs, since my heart and my reason do not change. For if I enjoyed love, I would praise myself for it, but lying about it would do me no good. For he holds me as one who holds a balance, desperate with a little hope. Yet he does not want to let me die completely, so that he can kill me more often. But now I see what I never thought could be, that I have become jealous of myself against my lady, that I do not court her. But every counsel that is good for love I have tried, and since nothing advances me, I will make every semblance of unloving. Alas, what have I said? I thought to hide it, and now already she knows all my intent. Lady, I see well that excuses do not help me. Love does not want me to be deceitful about it. I cry you mercy that you do not believe it yet. So eager is my heart for your love. If it pleases you, fulfill the prophecy that they say I have happiness from another love, and that I could enjoy you in secret, and the rumor comes from where it used to come. Lady, I have hope and fear of you. Now I take comfort from it. Now I am doubtful, but I fear that fear will take over. But I have one comfort from love at times. He shows me his favor with such power that he could never give me more distress, and makes an effort who can suffer together the anger and the power of the one who wants to destroy him. But I know well that it is a great improvement when a wrong is forgotten. Love will never lead me to such a wrong, if I could ever become unloving. But a light heart causes many misfortunes, and I see many fail, so I am doubtful. For in another's failure one should look, so that one guards himself from failing. Lady, Bonsa, what an effort I make for you. For now I sing and have no happiness at all, because the death of my Lord distresses me. For you know that he knew how to choose who one should honor and advance to an azim and palace. Turn yourself and advance into and touch them, and tell them without doubt that I am just as I myself intend, and no deed can make me weary of it.